Hi friends, first connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. Here I have connected this Android TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. Then you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that in Android TV we need to enable Chromecast. Go to settings, then select device preferences, then select Chromecast built-in. Then select let others control your cast medium. Then here we need to select always. In some Android TV we don't need to enable Chromecast because by default it will be enabled. After that in mobile phone open Google Play Store, then install Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open it. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect nearby cast devices. Here under this other cast devices we can see Android TV. So Android TV is the name of the Android TV which I am using. Tap on Android TV, then tap on cast my screen, then tap on cast screen. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to stop this casting, again open Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. That way we can stop casting. See, it's working. So please try it.